Being a content creator is not an easy task, because as a content creator you have to always sort for things that will make your video come out well. You're sorting for the perfect thumbnail, the perfect editing app, and the perfect background for your video. I understand it can be very taxing, and that's why we are always looking for ways on how we can make things better for us. Now, before I go on, I want you to know that this background is fake. Yes, and I'm also going to be taking you through the step-by-step process on how you too can create your own background using free applications. All right. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lucy, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for being part of the family. Now, with just 2 applications, you can also make the perfect background for your video. You can make so many backgrounds for any type of video you want. We're going to be using CapCut and Leonardo AI. Okay, these are free editing tools you can use to also generate this type of background. So now, before we go straight into the step-by-step process, I just need you to know that there are a few things you need to do so you can make your video come out perfectly, right, without having glitches and the rest. So first thing, you need lighting. If you do not have your equipment that has light, you know, like a tripod stand, your ring light, your LD light, you can just find a perfect lighting area in your house. You can stay facing your window or your door. Honestly, natural light is the best. Natural light beats all this equipment light. So if you don't have the equipment, that's fine. Just go to your window and then make your video. Secondly, make sure that you're staying behind a plain background, right? You do not want to stay behind a place where it has too many things, like maybe your mirror and other stuff, because it's not going to come out smoothly. Now, number 3, you need a tripod stand. I won't advise you to get someone to help you hold your video while you make it, because if your video shakes, you're not going to like the end result. So just get a tripod stand to make it better. And then lastly, avoid too much movement. Okay, you're using a fake background, so just try to make sure that you do not move too much so it doesn't interrupt the process when you're trying to convert the fake background. All these steps I just said are not like so important, but then if you want to have a smooth result, if you want your background to come out perfectly, then you have to follow through with it. Okay, now before I go any further, I would like to apologize in advance because I want to take a few seconds of your time. Please like this video, because it's going to tell the algorithm that you appreciate it, and it's going to take it to more audience. And I also want you to join the family because it's all fun and vibes here. So make sure you subscribe and then go into the comment section and let me know that you're done, so I can welcome you with a big hug. I'm still waiting for you to subscribe. Thank you. You just made my day. Thank you so much and welcome to the family. All right, let's go straight into the steps. So the first thing you're going to do is to search for leonardo.ai, and once that comes up, you would click on create an account. The fastest way for you to create an account is through your Google. So once you fill up your information, it's going to bring you to the main page, and then this is what it looks like. So you just click on image generation. Okay, once you're done, it's going to bring out the box where you type in how you want your picture to look like. Okay, so I wanted a nice cozy office with little decorations and the rest. So whatever you want it to be, just type it in there. So you click on generate tokens, and once you're done, it's going to bring out some of the images. So like I said, I wanted something cozy with the window. So this is what it brought out for me. And if you're not okay with it, you can always go back to edit it, and then you can make as many backgrounds as possible. So you pick the ones you want to use, and then you download it, and we head over to CapCut. So you click on the new project, and you're going to go to your gallery and click on the picture you just downloaded. And once you're done, you're going to click on, you expand it to the length of the video. Okay, once you're done, you click on overlay, and you add overlay, and then you add the video you want to work on. And then once that's done loading, you're also going to expand the video, so it's going to be at the same length of the picture. So make sure you adjust your video to the size of the background so that it fits in properly. Now once you're done with that, make sure you take the arrow back to the main page and then search for effect. Once you click on effect, click on the video effects and then search for blur. Your data has to be on at this point because you can't use it without it. And then once that's done, you click on it so that you can reduce the opacity of the blur effect to give it that depth that you need for your video. Now once that's done, you drag it to the end of the video and then you take the arrow back and you search for filter. Alright, when you click on filter, there's so many options there. So if you want a free plan, make sure that you use the one that doesn't have pro on it. If not, you're going to have to pay before you can save your video. So there's so many filters. Just pick the one that you want. You can use as many as possible. And once you're done, you save your video. I like to save mine in 4K so that it comes out well. And that's it. So guys, it's as easy as that. Now that you've learned how to make an AI background, I want to remind you to please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or you need more clarification on anything, you can let me know in the comment section. Thank you.